factor tree of 176. So 176, it can be written as 2 times 88. 2 times 88 means 176. So 88, it can be written as 2 times 44. 2 times 44 means 88. 44, it can be written as 2 times 22. 2 times 22 means 44, and 22, it can be written as 2 times 11. 2 times 11 means 22. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2, 2, 2 and 11. So among these prime numbers, we can write 176 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, means these two times these two times these two times these two and this 11. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.